Hello, welcome to yet another video on CSEC English. This time the focus is on reading comprehension. On your screen you see a word cloud. A word cloud of different terms related to the topic we're covering, reading comprehension. Now a word cloud is a cluster of words and phrases, for example, written expression, sense impressions, vocabulary, description. A word cloud is a cluster of those expressions, those terms that are related to the topic we are studying. In this interactive ebook and the accompanying video, you'll develop your skill at reading comprehension. Now, reading is an essential skill, just like writing. Reading is a process and it's a skill that can be developed using special techniques. And in the interactive ebook that I have created, you'll be able to develop that skill to be able to state facts explicitly, discern the central and supporting ideas in any passage, in any text. You'll be able to judge the relevance and or irrelevance of elements in that text, distinguish fact from opinion, and be able to draw conclusions based on evidence. You'll be able to discern the structure of the paragraphs and the type of writing, whether it's comparison, contrast, and much, much more. You'll be able to see this video by clicking on the link that is provided in the interactive ebook.